Federal funding cuts hitting home. Good evening, I'm Brandon Ferguson. Welcome to Coast TV News at 11. We begin tonight with a change costing La Esperanza funding and some children opportunities. La Esperanza is a nonprofit organization which has been helping the immigrant community in Sussex County for almost 30 years. They had secured federal funding for a legal program aimed at unaccompanied immigrant children. Now that story has changed. Recent federal funding cuts are hitting the program hard, as Telemundo Delmarva and Coast TV News reporter Ana Sofia Roman shows us what these means to the kids that are on their own and how you can help.
La Esperanza currently has 60 cases of unaccompanied immigrant children that they are representing. Unaccompanied immigrant children are kids who come to the U.S. usually across the border, either alone or with someone who's not their parent. They are then placed with a sponsor somewhere in the country, often a relative. Brian Garcia is the acting executive director of La Esperanza and says without the organization's support, it becomes much harder for children to find safety and stability in the U.S.
This program is important because it's taking down one of those barriers, right? The cost of legal services. These children are getting legal services completely free, and they're getting representation in court. So that means that we go to court with them. We're talking to the judge on their behalf, right, representing them.
Garcia says a lot of time, immigration cases within the court can take years to complete.
Even though we have 60 children, these are children that we may be representing and will need to represent over the next 4, 5, maybe even 6 years.
Garcia adds that not having the sufficient funding to cover the cost of representation might put children in a tough spot.
If they don't have anyone to support them to pay for that, they have to find ways to pay for it. And it may require them to go work, and to find work, if they don't have legal status, if they don't have work authorization, it puts them in a vulnerable position in that they may be using fake documents to do work that could be dangerous, or a work that could be very hard for a child.
With options for funding drying up, La Esperanza is hoping the community will come together to support those who they say need it the most. In Georgetown, Ana Sofia Roman, Coast TV News.
For those that would like to donate to this cause, La Esperanza says you can do that online or in person at their office in Georgetown. To find that link, visit our website, coasttvnews.com.